Welcome to the fortress, history's alive. With Mr. M and D3, we time travel and thrive. We teach the past, guide the future, of course, all while using the force. This is the fortress of knowledge.
Welcome, brave explorers, future scientists, and ancient civilization sleuths to the Fortress of Knowledge. I'm Mr. M, your guide, your teacher, and your fellow adventurer on a year that's going to be out of this world.
Scanning for excitement levels. Yep, we're off the charts. Hello, humans. I'm D3 Clint, your loyal sidekick and knowledge navigator. I've got data, jokes, and occasionally laser noises.
Here in the Fortress, we teach the past,
Guide the future.
and use the force of learning. Let's talk science. This isn't just about textbooks and taking notes. Nope, we're diving in hands first. You'll experiment, build, question, and maybe even blow a few minds. Not literally in safety first, folks. From mystery substances to wild investigations, you become the scientist.
Alert. Scientific curiosity level. Maximum. Warning. Hands-on experiments may cause learning to be awesome.
Now let's open the ancient gates of time and step into social studies. We'll explore the ancient world, from pyramids to palaces, warriors to writers, and how they lived, ruled, traded, and believed. We'll use the mighty acronym G.R.A.P.E.S. G for geography, R for religion, A for achievements, P for politics, E for economics, and S for social structure.
Each civilization was different, but they all had stories to tell, and you get to uncover them. Time travel mode, loading. Please keep your arms and legs inside the timeline.
So buckle up, 6th grade. You're about to be part of something amazing.
Well, after analyzing all this, I'm seriously wondering why we ever thought sitting quietly at desks, just absorbing information, was the best way to learn.
You know what's really telling? When you create a learning environment so engaging that adults are actually envious of what's happening in a middle school classroom, you've definitely struck upon something revolutionary. The future of education might just look a lot more like the Fortress of Knowledge than the traditional classroom we grew up with. A classroom like no other, a year full of questions, quests, and maybe a few unexpected plot twists.
We've got science to discover,
History to uncover.
and a whole lot of fun to be had.
So from D3 and I, we want to say, welcome to the Fortress of Knowledge. Your adventure starts now. Are you ready for this?
This is the fortress of knowledge.